picked up this little remote control car and I'm gonna see what I can do to it. I guess we'll just start with the speed testing straight away. So here we go into that. Okay, so as you can see here, I have measured out on my street 50 feet. As you can see, I've gotten all the wheels replaced, so the rear wheels and the front wheels are all these new green wheels. As you can see, actually, this rear wing that was on the car right back there is I took that out, and so I actually cut that out and made this little ducktail spoiler.